Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Smile All Around. Today we are going to bake eggless mug cake in just 2 minutes using the microwave in two different flavors. One, the nutty chocolate cake, and second, the Coco coffee mug cake. So let's get started with our first mug cake. First off, take a mug and add all the dry ingredients in it, like 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or Maida, which is around 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, and just 1/8 tablespoon of salt. Now, with the help of a fork, mix all the dry ingredients very well. Now it's time to add the wet ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, around 1/4 cup of water. You can also add milk instead of water, and 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. Here I'm using Hershey's chocolate syrup. Now mix everything very well and make sure there are no lumps in the batter. Once everything is mixed well, the batter is ready. Now place the mug in the microwave and let it cook for 1.5 minutes on power 100. Once the timer is off, take the mug out and check the cake with the help of a knife. Slide a knife into the cake, and if it comes out clean, then your cake is properly cooked. Loosen up the cake with the help of a knife from all its sides and transfer it carefully onto your plate. Now decorate the plate and your cake with the help of the sugar syrup and few nuts like cashews, almonds, raisins, etc. You can also add these nuts into your batter and it will be cooked along with your cake, but I preferred it this way. You can also enhance and make the plate more attractive by using few chocolate chips or any other kind of sprinklers, gems available in the market. Isn't it looking so attractive? And the sponge is so soft and fluffy. So here was our first mug cake ready. Now let's jump into the second one. Again, take a mug and add all the dry ingredients in it. Take 3 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or Maida. Add 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of baking soda. Again, mix all the dry ingredients well and add all the wet ingredients. 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup, you can as usual add 2 tablespoons of sugar, but here I am using condensed milk, so I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. And finally 2 tablespoons of water. You can also add 2 tablespoons of milk if you want to. Again, as before, mix everything very well and make sure there are no lumps in the batter. After stirring it for a bit, add 1/4 teaspoon of coffee powder and again mix everything very well. Add few chunks of chocolate chips into the batter and give it a stir. Again, place the mug in the microwave and let it cook for 1.5 minutes on power 100. Once again, when the timer is off, take the mug out and check the cake with the help of a knife. Repeat the same procedure to check the cake. Loosen up the cake from its sides with the help of a knife and transfer it carefully onto the plate. Voila! Our second mug cake is also ready. So decorate the plate again, spread the chocolate syrup on top of it and decorate it with the shredded chocolate. Again, you can decorate the plate as you want and with whatever you have to make it look more attractive, mouth-watering and yummy. So this is it for this video, friends. Do try this simple recipe at home and make all your special occasions a memorable one with it. Very simple and easy eggless cakes to bake. So hit that like button if you liked it and do come back to this video to leave your feedback in the comment box below. Also subscribe to my channel to join my little digital family and stay tuned for more fun, informative and interesting videos. I shall catch up with you in my next one. Till then, bye and stay blessed.